Hello everyone. So today it's going to be different. Okay, we're not going to have too much programming. It's going to be a fun kind of video activity. So we told you that we'll show you how many types of video games are there on the Scratch website. So today we're going to take you to the website and we're going to play a small game that we found it was very interesting. And Karnik and I will be playing it. Okay, so even you can join with us. You can comment in the comment box below. What might your answer be for the questions? Or else you can directly go to the website and play the game by yourself. The link will be always in the description. Okay. So the first thing you have to do is you have to go to the scratch.com website, scratch.mit.edu, and here you can just go to explore. Okay.
You can explore many projects.
Okay. There are like thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of games over there. You can go to each games. You can even explore what are the background codes are there. Okay. So what we're going to do is play. We had something called yes or no. Okay.
We are going to be playing a Would You Rather game.
Would you rather?
Would you rather?
Oh, would you rather? Okay. Would you rather? Sorry. Okay. So this is the game which was there. If you click the game, okay, it will open like this. Okay. We'll wait for some time. Of course, it's going to take some time loading. And probably most people might not know our camera might not record more than 10 minutes. That's why most of our videos are less than 10 or 9 minutes. Okay. So we have the game with us and it's simple. Click 37 questions and more coming soon. Okay. So that's what we're going to do. We can, there are two ways. You can just directly go ahead and play. Okay. When flag is clicked, yes or no. Okay.
And
we'll do one thing. We'll reduce the audio as of now so that you can have a better audio.
if you also want to play the game by yourself, there is this URL that you can use.
Yeah, we'll provide the URL in the description down below. Okay. So just click go. We'll do one thing. We'll just add some music. Okay. So the first question: would you rather
Eat a whole container of butter or
drink a bottle of maple syrup? This is your question. You can answer.
maple syrup?
Maple syrup. For more, okay. So we'll see. It will compare with how many people have answered the same way. Okay. So there are about 67% people who selected red. Okay. So we'll go for the next question. Have a Pokemon for real? Superhero exist? Ooh. What do you think? Okay, I like Iron Man, so I guess I'll say superhero exist.
I would have been choosing Pokemon.
Pokemon for real? Okay. So the next question. Would you rather ski in the mountains or have a vacation on the beach? So this is, Karnik, it's your question.
Vacation. Beach.
Vacation?
Beach.
I would preferably go for skiing in the mountains. Okay, we'll see how many people have voted.
I am not adventurous person.
Okay, 69%. Okay, so Karnik has the support. I guess I'm a different person. Okay. So next video. Would you rather lose your keys or lose your cell phone?
No question.
I like my cell phone, so but I don't want to live in the street, so I guess probably I'll say lose your cell phone. Yours?
Music keys.
Music keys. So we'll see how many votes. Okay, he has the majority vote. Even he has 56% vote and I have 44. Okay. So would you rather get $100 today or get $1 a day for the next 150 days?
150 days takes a time, but you get more money.
I would say the same thing. I'll rather have $150
rather than $1.
$1.
I mean $100.
$100. Okay. So, and I guess most people have voted the same way.
Would you rather jump off a 1,000-meter cliff and win $1,000 or jump off a 1-meter cliff and win $1?
What do you answer?
I would rather win $1,000.
Yeah, you would die. So the logical answer is 1 meter and win one. I can repeat it again so that I can get $1,000. Okay, so and I have the majority vote.
I thought of having parachute or something.
Parachute, like nothing is gonna work. Okay, would you rather eat nothing but ketchup for a week? Eat nothing but mustard for a week. So is there an answer? No. Is there an answer? I don't know. I don't like both things.
I like ketchup much more.
Okay, so Karnik is going to go with ketchup and he has the highest vote.
Ketchup tastes better.
So okay, would you rather eat a Big Mac or eat chicken nuggets?
I don't look like I eat much, but I eat lots of Big Macs.
Big Macs. And I'm a vegetarian, so a Big Mac is also non-veg, so I have to pass on this question as well. So
Big Mac.
People prefer chicken nuggets.
I don't know why.
Okay.
Only eat or only drink. What would you do?
I would only eat.
Same.
Same. And we have the majority vote for that as well.
So.
Would you rather save your family
Or save 1,000
strangers?
strangers?
Whew.
It depends on what I'm saving for them from. If it's something less dangerous, they can save themselves.
That's a even more valuable answer than I could ever answer. Okay, I would have to say family first. Yeah, most people. That's good. I guess the psychology is that most people will prefer the family rather than others. So, would you rather only use a spoon?
Or only use a fork?
I'm a spoon person. You?
Spoon.
Spoon.
I don't know how I'm going to.
Drink with or something like soup or something with a spoon, right?
Exactly. I can
Okay.
eat noodles with spoon probably.
Okay, we had
Okay.
and we had the lesser vote as well.
Not wash your hands or brush your teeth for 1 year. Not shower or take a bath for 2 years.
Phew.
Mm,
We're gonna both of us we're gonna pass this question, okay?
I would rather go red.
Right? So okay, probably not shower for 2 years, I would say.
Never mind.
Okay. So would you rather eat
Leftovers.
leftovers or
or-
only eat IKEA meals? I'm a leftover guy. Whatever my family left, so I'll eat, no issues with me.
I believe in my mom. All the foods are great.
Okay, so we'll have leftover food, no issues.
Eat a burger or eat a pizza.
Burger every time.
Pizza.
And he has the highest vote. Would you rather?
Break a arm or break a leg.
I'll probably break his arm. So
I'm experienced in both of them. I'll break my arm.
I'll break his arm as well. Okay. Never be able to speak.
And here, or lose one of your arms.
Ooh, these questions are getting very serious.
Lose one of my arms? Probably.
I would say the same stuff. Most of the people thought the same way. Would you rather take an ice cold freezing shower or take a burning hot shower? I'll always prefer ice cold freezing showers.
Me too.
And we win. Okay, would you rather fight a bear or fight a lion? I have higher chance of escaping from a bear rather than a lion, I guess.
I don't mind. I'll go with bears.
Fight a bear.
Because I know lions are violent and bears want it, you're dead.
Okay,
It's a
so
pain. It's kind
okay,
of.
most people vote the same say as well. Would you rather be a genius in the world of unintelligent people or be intelligent in a world of geniuses?
Mm,
It touches our ego a little bit.
I would rather be unintelligent. I don't know what's the point in being a genius when no one is going to know what you're doing.
I would say the same stuff. Being unintelligent in a world of genius. That's a better way to go.
Cure cancer, stop world
Not
hunger.
hunger. I'm not sure. I guess there are more death due to hunger than cancer. I'm not sure about the
The only
data.
thing I know is you can stop world hunger even if you don't choose this giving food and stuff. But cancer, you don't have a cure, so I'll cure
He has
cancer.
a better reasoning than me here. So we'll choose. What do you choose? Cancer, and I
Yeah.
choose. Okay, we don't know. Probably he choose cancers, and more people voted for that. Would you rather prevent World War II, win a life-changing amount of money and lottery?
Red.
I would say prevent a World War II because money is no value for me. Win a life-changing amount, and I guess most people will.
I chose this because World War II is already over.
I don't choose.
There's nothing I could do.
Oh,
I failed.
that's a reasonable thing.
Stand or sit.
I'm a stand person,
I'll sit.
and he's always
I'm a
right.
gaming person.
Would you rather go snowboarding or go skiing? I have done
I have done
not done both of those. You?
I have no idea.
But I always wanted to do snowboarding, so
Skiing.
I'll get skiing. Okay. Would you rather drink
Drink
Pepsi or drink Coca-Cola?
I don't know the difference between both of them.
They
It
taste
is-
both the same. So I'm
So
just
Coke.
gonna click Coke. Okay, so
it's
most
very
of
famous.
Would you rather be Godzilla? I'm gonna be King Kong. That's no other. King Kong is the
Godzilla.
best.
Godzilla.
And he
I
has
know
the
Godzilla
majority
has
vote.
powers.
He
Some
has
random
majority
powers that
votes.
he can fly.
Would you rather be a villain in a world of superheroes or be a super in a world of villains?
Villain. I'll be.
I'll be villain. Yes,
I like to be.
villain. Ooh. Okay, I guess most of the questions have to be very closed. If you don't have the time, probably we'll show more videos. just in case. Okay, I hope you liked us doing this experiment, and if you want, you can also try out this experiment. And probably in the next video, what we're going to teach you is we're going to teach you how to go to level 2 of the previous game, which we already designed. Okay, so we'll see you in the next videos. Bye.